I want a marriage more beautiful than my wedding. Ever heard that phrase, or maybe you've said it yourself? While your wedding is just one day, your marriage is every day after that. So it deserves just as much, if not more, thought and planning and intention. So let's compare a few wedding highlights with what they can teach us about marriage. Some might make you laugh, some are more serious, but I think by the end of this, you'll see how these key conversations can help to make your marriage even more beautiful than your wedding day. You spend hours, maybe even months, to find that perfect dress, the perfect suit. It's custom fitted, it's lined just right, and it's styled to reflect only you. But what's more powerful than what you wear? Being emotionally naked. Maybe not at the reception. In marriage, vulnerability is the real elegance. Letting your partner see your fears, your hopes, your weird quirks. That is the gown that you wear every day. Your wedding cake has layers, colors, flavors, maybe even a surprise filling. Guess what else has layers? Communication. And not just how was your day, but what's been hard for you lately? Or when do you feel the most loved by me? Or is there a trauma that you're still healing from? Delicious? Not always, but nourishing? Definitely. Your first dance might be choreographed down to the spin. But in marriage, you are constantly learning each other's rhythm. Sometimes one of you's doing a waltz while the other one's doing a cha-cha. Staying in step means checking in, realigning, and maybe even laughing when you step on each other's feet. On your wedding day, your vows are everything. But here's the thing, you have to live them out without the tux, without the flowers, without the perfectly lit backdrop. Loving in sickness and in health might mean sitting next to them during a hard therapy session. Or maybe it's just loading the dishwasher when it's their turn. Small choices, big impact. Weddings are rehearsed, but marriage, that is real time, no script. That's why pre-marriage coaching is one of the best gifts that you can give to your future. It's not about fixing anything. It's about getting to know yourself, how to love each other better, and having tools that you can use for conflict and money stress, even in-law drama, but with grace. It's not heavy, it's actually pretty fun, and it beats talking about napkin colors. So yes, go all out on your wedding. Make it beautiful, magical, picture perfect, but don't forget what is coming after the last dance. Because the most beautiful thing, well, it's not your venue and it's not what you're going to wear. It is building a marriage that just gets better with time. You can find 2 links below, one for your engaged couples conversation map, which is a free download, or to book me for your own private pre-aisle commitment conversations. I would love to help you build something beautiful together.